Rightio, it's starting to get a little bit later in the afternoon now. Luckily where I am here, the sun's going to drop to the west of course, but out over the plains, it's in the morning where the sun's going to come up over these hills, so I probably won't see the sun itself until 8 o'clock or something. But I'm going to get the fire going now. Again, watch some of the survivorists and that. They'll bang a couple of sticks together. It is handy if you don't know, or if you don't have lighters, more for survival situation, but if you're going camping, you're going to have cigarette lighter, matches, all sorts of things to light a fire. But there's one thing I've taken to using recently. You don't need fire lighters, matches, it can be blowing a gale, the wood could be wet. This cost me about $9 off eBay. It's a little butane torch that goes on top of your butane can, and it's fantastic. I got 2 of them just to have a spare, although one's going to live on the bike now, so put it in, block it into place. It's got a piezo igniter inside, so yes, if that lighter fails, if it takes, get that mosquito, if it takes a minute or 2, it doesn't really matter. Plenty of gas. Now I had some leaves down the bottom, so this is a bit of leaves taken on, but good thing here too, the wind's coming upstream, so it's going to keep on going upstream there as well. Focus on some small bits of wood you got in there. You're not blowing, you're not got your face 5 centimetres from it to get covered in smoke. It just makes lighting a fire so much easier. Once it gets going like that, just a matter of turning the torch off. Done. I always take it off just in case it's leaking. Butane cans are notorious for leaking, so take it off, keeping in mind that end's going to be hot. But our fire's pretty much going, so that's as easy as it needs to be. Get your fire going in the bush. I have dug a little bit of a pit here to put the fire in, twofold. One, we're in the bush, there's a lot of leaf litter around, so I want the fire to be sort of contained. There's plenty of rocks around. If I had one of my kids here, they'd be tasked with running around picking up rocks and putting a fire break around it. More so too, get it down low, so if it does get windy later on, it's not going to be blowing the fire too far away. But that's coming together nicely. So fire 101. You don't need to bang a couple of sticks together. You don't need to burn your fingers on a lighter. You don't need to be down there blowing away. $9, $10 off eBay. We'll get you through every time.